Welcome to this step-by-step tutorial on how to remove a logo from your PowerPoint templates. In this guide, you will learn each part of the process clearly and methodically so that you can adjust your presentation design quickly and effortlessly. Begin by starting your computer and launching the PowerPoint application. It is important to ensure that PowerPoint is already installed and updated on your system so that you have access to all the latest features and designs. Once the application has loaded, locate and open the presentation from which you wish to remove the unwanted logo. After you have opened your PowerPoint file, the next step is to navigate to the specific presentation you intend to edit. This may involve finding your file in your saved documents or wherever you have stored your PowerPoint presentations. Take a moment to review the slides where the logo appears so you are aware of how it is integrated into your design. This helps in understanding the scope of the changes you are about to make. Remember to save a backup copy of your presentation before proceeding so you can always return to the original design if needed. Now that you have the presentation open and have identified where the logo might be affecting your design, move to the design section of the application. To do this, look for the design tab within the toolbar located near the top of the PowerPoint window. This tab contains various options that allow you to customize the visual aspects of your slides. Familiarize yourself with these options as they provide tools for modifying the overall look of your presentation. Within the Design tab, direct your attention to the background customization options. Find and click on the option that is labeled Format Background, which is typically located under a section devoted to customization. This feature allows you to make adjustments to how the background appears on your slides, including removing any graphical elements that may be interfering with your desired design. As you click on Format Background, understand that this action prepares the workspace for further customization of your presentation's background elements. Once the background formatting options appear, you will need to focus on removing the logo image that has been incorporated as part of the background graphics. A practical method to do this is to select the option that says Hide Background Graphics. When you choose this option, PowerPoint will automatically hide any graphics that are considered part of the background design, including the logo. It is important to note that although the graphics are hidden, they remain in the file. They simply will not be visible on your slides. This allows you the flexibility to bring them back later if necessary. After you have hidden the background graphics, ensure that the changes take effect across your entire presentation by selecting the option to apply to all. When you apply this change to all slides, every part of your presentation is updated with the new background settings, effectively removing the logo from every slide that used the background template. This final step guarantees that your presentation now features a clean design, free of the prior logo integration. By following these instructions carefully, you have now learned how to remove a logo from your PowerPoint templates. Enjoy your refreshed presentation design and feel confident in your ability to customize your slides for any future project.